Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your math teacher. I'm Shagufta Makbool. Today I am going to tell you an interesting topic. I'm going to introduce you an interesting topic with the help of activity. Today our topic is greater than, less than. First of all, tell me, what are you seeing here? We are seeing fish. At the one side we can see fish, at the other side we can see fish. So let's count how many fish are here at this side and how many fish are here the other side. 1 2 3 3 fish are here. One fish is here. So here are 3 and at the other side is 1. Now look at here, what is coming here and looking both of side. What is it? This is croc's mouth. This is croc's mouth. This croc is looking, this crocodile's mouth is looking hungry. He is very hungry. He wants more fish to eat. Look at this mouth. He is looking both of sides. Where he will have to go. He is finding. This is his mouth is open wide. So he is standing and moving towards the more fish you are seeing here. More fish are here. How many fish are here? 1 2 3 fish are here. So this croc's mouth will go towards the more fish and will eat more fish. What are you seeing here, students? What are you seeing here? Look at, check carefully the croc's mouth. What are you seeing in this mouth? We can see, look at the black line. Look at C. We use this shape in math. We use this shape in math as a sign of greater than, less than. We should use this sign is math. Look at here and check this sign again. The croc's mouth always open towards the bigger number. Always. Look at here. This croc's mouth is always open towards the bigger number, and this corner will remain towards the smaller number. Let's see what is this crocodile is doing. Let's see. Again, after eating 3 fish, now this crocodile is moving towards and finding another fish. Where he will have to go? Think about it, students. Can you tell me? Look at here. First of all, count. At this side I am seeing 1 fish. At the other side I am seeing 2 fishes. What will this croc's mouth will do? Definitely this croc's open mouth will go towards more fish. 2 fish will go towards the 2 fish. He wants to eat 2 fish, more 2 fish, because this crocodile is very hungry. Now he is standing here. Look at here. What is he finding? And looking at? Wow! He is at this time. This croc mouse is looking happy. First of all, students, we will count. We can tell easily. First of all, we will count how many fish at this side and how many fish the other side we are seeing. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 fish are this side we are seeing. There are 5 fish. At the other side we are seeing 1, 2, 3. We are seeing 3 fish. What will this croc's mouth do? Definitely, croc's mouth is looking happy. So he will eat these 5 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 fish. Look at here. We have 3 fish. Now students, after watching this video, you are able to do sums of greater than, less than. If you are feeling any difficulty in doing this kind of work, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much. After doing this is part first. After doing this activity, now we will start part B. With the help of this sign, we can solve the sums greater than and less than. Thank you so much.